white chocolate more. No. We got red skin.
You said different colors.
Skin.
You're Asian?
Yellow, black, and white. There's something in his sign. Okay, this is going to be your chocolate morsels. So go ahead and put your chocolate and your butterscotch all up on your cake. Put it on. Put it all over it. Chocolate and butterscotch. Put it all on it. Dump the whole thing. Yeah.
Wait, you have to put some of the butterscotch on there too. She said both.
You said both?
Yeah, she got both.
That's alright, wait.
Do however you want to do it. If you want to layer them, if you want to put them on, you're They ain't got no pigment up in them. That's better. Alright. So now we're going to put some shrouded corneal layer. This is our corneal layer. What do you think this is?
Recording you.
Sprinkles. Go ahead and dump some sprinkles on it. Put a sprinkle. Put a sprinkle. Everyone got the sprinkles on it?
Mr. Heavy over here.
Alright, so now we have our epidermis, which is our sheer soft covering of all of our skin, right? What do you think is the epidermis? Graham crackers. Go ahead and put the graham crackers on it.
Graham crackers.
Wait, because the graham crackers are not going to stick.
You're gonna mess it up, boy.
Boy.
I was like chocolate.
Yum. Okay.